So you probably know this is the easiest part of the entire thing. I put some olive oil, they say peanut oil, but I have olive oil, in a pan, get nice and hot. I take a piece of my tilapia, I put it in the cornmeal and flour batter, like so, and then just lay it in the pan. These don't take long to cook, obviously. There's salt and pepper on the fish. They recommend you put the salt and pepper in the actual seasoning, this flour mixture. Also, the recipe from the book, the recipe from the book calls for cayenne pepper. As you probably know, I am not a heat fan. Therefore, cayenne, not likely.